Reporting on duty. Bond rate is here. Hi everyone, welcome to Trade with Bond rate. My name is Bond Solomon. Yeah, we are back here again on this beautiful Thursday morning, the 16th day of July 2020. What? 2026. Yeah, you are welcome once again. So you can see what we are having on BTC. Yesterday I told you that I don't trust the bullishness of this green candle here, and you can see exactly what market did. Just as I told you yesterday that I'm expecting market to take this high of the previous day and then fall down. Currently, we are currently on a sell position on BTC, and we are in a little profit anyway. But if you're not on that sell, I have a better entry for you today, because based on how market moved yesterday, our entry was not really bad, but it's not a perfect one. So if you are here to enter the short, there is a perfect entry for you today, which is yet to trigger, and I will show you before the end of this video, right? So I told you that as a day trader and as a scalper, you have less attention to pay to what market did previously, but paying attention to the price action of the current daily candle will give you a better opportunity to explore in the market, right? So let's watch what market did yesterday. As I have marked here already, market did what? This is the low of Bitcoin yesterday, yeah, and this is the high of Bitcoin yesterday. The low was at 64,400 and the psychological level, and then the high was at 65,500 psychological level, right? So what are you expecting today? Now if you watch now, markets have taken the low of yesterday already, and then it's pushing inside. So now watching at what is about to happen here, we had was it a pin bar yesterday, a pin bar candle on the daily, and that's why I told you that we have a better short entry, because at this zone Bitcoin is has a higher potential to sell than to continue this buy. Okay, even though if market want to manipulate because the bullish fundamentals are still in play, right? So if market want to weak, so even if market decide to do so, we are still protected because our SL is far above the high of yesterday. So guys, don't forget, if you are watching the short clip of this video, don't forget to use the link below this video to join our YouTube channel so that you can have full access to the full video. Okay, and don't forget to join all our social platforms like our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp group, where we will keep daily updates and then always be updated anytime we share our live signals. Okay, so don't forget that our official exchange we use for partnership in this community is Bybit. So there's always a partnership link available for you to register. Once you register, fund your account, send your UID to my DM of any of the social platform you are watching this video, or to my WhatsApp number, which is currently at this video. Send your UID so that you will be added to any of our class, either our beginners class in case you have less knowledge about trading, or our advanced class, which we host 11 a.m. every morning West African time, or our master class where we groom profitable traders. We rub mind and share ideas and make money together. So any of the categories of the class you wish to join, they are all totally for free, sponsored fully by Bybit. So it's an opportunity for you to grab at this point in time, right? So let's watch and see what you should expect today. So the first 4 hours of the Asian markets just closed, and let's see what happened. Let's see what we have on BTC. So it closed, and it closed with a was it a doji, a bearish doji, taking the low of yesterday and then rejecting inside. So this is a clear indication that market is likely coming back to this zone before the actual sell. If London should buy, yeah, if Asia should continue this buy now, then supported by London, by the end of by London opening and then into New York, we expect BTC to come and pick this order, maybe, probably. But I believe yesterday is Wednesday. I believe yesterday have given us the high. You know, there's one characteristic on BTC. Wednesdays either gives you the high or the low of BTC. So I'm not expecting BTC to take the high of yesterday. So the highest we can see is to come here, take this high, then start the sell proper, right? Yeah, this is the highest I'm expecting BTC to do today, because BTC need to sell down to this gap here. This gap is so massive. Sell down to this gap, then grab liquidity to push it to the upside again. So this is the outlook for today. No need for complication. I just gave you a highlight of what I'm expecting. So that's why I see this pending order. I have it already. Oh, okay, in order of my accounts. I'm still holding the short position in case if market decide not to come back and pick this order, right? So it's just as simple as that. If you go to 1 hour time frame, you will see that there's a formation in the 1 hour time frame here, right? There's a very big huge market order here, which is likely to take market to the upside. So don't complicate this chart. I believe I have been able to simplify this chart this morning, and you have the head up already for the day. I wish you a very profitable day, and I will see you guys again tomorrow in our next analysis. Do well to join all our community so that you stay updated in the outcome of any of this trade and further signals. Make sure you join us today, 11 a.m. West Africa time, in our advanced class where we'll do live analysis on BTC and every other token that we are trading. Thank you so much. I remain my humble self, Bongret Solomon, and don't forget that Bongret is out. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye for now.